Right, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect vegetarian omelette. It's not vegan because it's got eggs in it. It's vegetarian, right? Perfect omelette. We're doing like this for years. These are the ingredients. We've got some mixed vegetables, including some yellow peppers, some mushrooms, onions, and tomatoes. Cheese, parsley, salt and pepper, eggs, and a little bit of whole milk. Now listen, don't use skim milk, right? You might as well wing it. Whole milk, right? You don't even need milk at all. But if you're a bit hard up for eggs, put a bit of milk in. Right? So, just come over here. Nice and quick. Set that in without dropping it. You want the pan to be on about a medium heat, maybe a bit higher than medium. Not too hot. Right, let that cook. Right, now while that's doing, break an egg, 2 eggs, a little bit of whole milk. Little bit. You don't even need that. Nice. Okay, so we've got this going on here. Please forgive me. The last video got cut straight in the middle because my partner, Tessa, doesn't know how to press record on a phone apparently. So the colour of the peppers have changed, but apart from that it's pretty much the same. So we're going to go straight in with the eggs now. So 2 eggs, a little bit of whole milk. This is how you cook with one hand. Just leave that. Don't mess with it. Right? Don't mess with it. Just leave it how it is. Get your grill on. Full blast with the grill. Leave that how it is. Salt. Egg doesn't taste too great without salt, to be honest with you. Get a bit of salt on there. Pepper. And not too much parsley. So there you go. What we're looking for, as soon as it starts bubbling, start getting air bubbles in the top. Yeah. Then you add the cheese. So, you see the little bubble there? Bit of a bubble. Yeah, see that? Cheese. I'm sorry about this recording. Pepper. So get the cheese in, whack it under there while the top is still runny. And you need it for about a minute and a half under there. Finale, this is what we want. We want the omelette to be nice and bubbly. Start raising on the cheese bits. Nice and raisy. See that? Take it off. Lovely. This isn't a French omelette. It's not a Spanish omelette. It's a Manchester omelette. I'll taste of that. Mmm.